Good morning everyone, welcome back to Weekend Outing channel. We started our day by having a breakfast at the spa. It was lovely. Even though we got it at the concession, we just had a vegetable sandwich and the roll, which was supposed to be for €4.40 each, but they gave it us for €3. So that's good start for our trip. And today we are planning to go to the Dingle Peninsula, and it's 1:45 and we have just started the trip now. We were just driving at the Corner Pass. Corner Pass is the drive in between the two mountains with very beautiful views, but right now it's raining, so we are not going to get down off the car. It's the rain and the wind at the same time, and this is the viewpoint of the Corners Pass. Actual view is supposed to be like this, but the weather is not that great today. Never mind. This is the typical Ireland's weather, where you have to wear the puffer jacket no matter what it is, and we just thought of getting down off the car. So look at that view. I know it might be not that much visible, but there's a small lake and there's a valley after that. Our second spot for today is Caleres Oratory, which is an early Christian period church. Once you come over here, there's a cafe and the video audio theatre room. So you have to walk this path, and the old Christian church will be onto your left side. There's a small information about the Caleres Oratory, which is built in 7th or 8th century, and it resembles the inverted boat. Now if you look at the stones are very dry, and it makes sure that the rain is turned outside. There are the two openings for this oratory, which is the western doorway and the eastern window. It's too dark in here, and just above the western doorway there are these two projected holes which were supposed to be the attachment for the doors during that period of time. This is the only Ireland's oratory which has been left, like the way that it's been the construction of the stone. Do you think this must be the burial site for someone?
Yes.
You don't want to step on it. The weather is actually getting good right now. I guess that we were at the Corners Pass and it was in between the mountains, so it was like completely windy and rainy. This is our third stop for today, which is the Duncan Pier. Once this pier was being used for the people to, the farmers used to unload their ships, and there were the people who used to stay on the islands, and this was the only connection for them to the mainland. Beautiful, isn't it?
It is.
This spire is quite steep. Yes, I will be careful. Look, they have made the seats. Our toes are literally going in, isn't it? Wow! We can go till there? We are currently at the Slee Head Drive route, which is a part of the Wild Atlantic Way, and it is very beautiful. The roads are so narrow and the twists and the turns of the roads, that's just amazing. What do you think about it, Siddharth?
Yes, the drive is really nice. It's completely different than what we are used to in the city. But yes, enjoying a lot. We get to see these beautiful views on the way. So yes, very nice.
We are just going to roam in the Dingle town now, and there's a parking area behind me. For that you have to pay €1 for 1 hour, and there is a port just right besides that. This is the Dingle Harbour. This is the Dingle town, quite colourful and beautiful. We got the another fish magnet, Slee Head Drive, Dingle. It's a very nice place, good vibes here. This is how the evenings are in the Dingle town. Quiet and calm, peaceful. People are minding their own business, and it's really enjoyable. We are going to have a meal from over here, the diner. This is a veggie pizza for €15. If you're ever coming into the Dingle, then don't forget to have the Murphy's ice cream.